Well, hello again. I want to go over our ITC member deals for May. So these deals are going to go through May the 28th. And here's a few of the featured items. The Pittsburgh half-inch drive impact deep socket set, 13 piece, saving 31% down to $21.99. We got the Inside Track Club deal on a generator, a 375 watt gas powered. This is not an inverter, but it's down to $369.99, saving 110 bucks. We got that magnetic glove tissue dispenser. This one happens to be in purple. Gonna save 33% on it, down to $9.94. Here's a good deal on a analog charger with the engine start. It's $39.99. You're saving 20%. And rather than do all 200 and something items at once, I want to start off with the icons. So these are Inside Track Club member deals. And anybody that's watching this that's not an Inside Track Club member, you can join for $29.99. And there's enough freebies and discounts along throughout the year that you will more than pay for it. But that's strictly your decision. So right off, we got the Icon 10-inch plier set. We're going to save 25% on that. It's normally $39.99. We're going to get that thing for $29.99. We got that Icon half-inch drive, 40 to 250 foot professional split beam torque wrench. We're going to save $25 on that this month. It's down to $114.99 from $139.99. We got the aluminum bearing and seal driver set. It's a 16-piece set. You're going to save $45 on this one. So it's $134.99 regular. Right now you can get it for $89.99 with your Inside Track Club membership. And do pay attention to these ratings, as they tell a lot about everything. Next we have the Icon Professional Impact Socket Adapter Set, 4 pieces. $24.99. You're going to save 24%. Down from $32.99. Next we have the half-inch drive Icon 12.5 to 250 foot professional flex head digital angle torque wrench. It's normally $329.99. Excuse me, it's normally $379.99. It's down to $329.99. Save $50 this month. You got the SAE and metric color-coded L-shaped ball end hex key set. They're coming in at $15.99, down from $24.99, saving 38%. You got the Icon 3/8-inch drive professional deep sockets, and this is also an SAE or metric. Save 22%. Normal price $44.99 during the sale, $34.99 with your Inside Track Club membership. We got that Icon half-inch drive 25-inch professional breaker bar with the TPR grip. It's coming in at $32.99, saving 17%. Regular price is $39.99. Next we have the Icon half-inch drive 25-inch professional breaker bar. Its normal price is $37.99. It's down to $24.99. Then we have the Icon Professional Digital Display Circuit Light Tester with interchangeable shanks. So that's a nice little set. Comes in its own case. Normal price $79.99. It's going to come in at $59.99, saving 25%. Here's a ball peen dead blow hammer. It's got 4 head weights. You're going to save 18% from $54.99 down to $44.99. And here's the 3/8-inch impact swivel socket set, coming in at $89.99, down from $114.99. Here's Icon's professional scraper and removal tools. So it's a nice 4-piece set. Normal price $27.99. During the Inside Track Club May sale, it's $19.99. Here's the professional wobble socket extension set. It's a 7-piece. Normal price $39.99. It's down to $29.99 during the sale. And here's the Icon 3/8 inch dry professional long reach flex head ratchet with a comfort grip. It's normally $57.99. It's down to $44.99. And here's the Icon 1/4 inch dry professional flex head ratchet with comfort grip. It's down from $37.99 to $29.99. Icon's 1/2 inch dry professional low profile ratchet. It's coming in at $34.99, down from $47.99. There's a set of Master Technicians premium gloves. They're on sale for $19.99, normal price $24.99. Icon's 3/8 inch dry professional long reach flex head ratchet. It's coming in at $44.99, saving 22%, normal price of $57.99. Here's a 3/8 dry professional short low profile ratchet, down to $24.99 from $39.99. You're going to save 37% on that one. Here's a 1/2 inch dry professional flex head ratchet. It's at $34.99, down from $52.99, saving 33%. 1/4 inch dry professional low profile ratchet, $22.99, saving 30%. Original price $32.99. Then there's the 1/4 inch dry professional stubby low profile ratchet. It's down to $19.99 from $27.99. And the other thing I'll go on and share, because I don't think I'm going to do a video on it, is tomorrow's deal of the day. And of course, it's not going to show it to me. That is just hard to believe. But then again, it's not. All right, the deal of the day. The 10 days of deals. We did 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tomorrow's deal is on ammo boxes. They're all going to be 45% off. Those little Bunker Hill plastic boxes are really handy to sort your pistol ammo, well, any ammo, but it's really easy to keep a container for each type of ammo you have, easily separated, and it's a nice secure box. It does have a place to latch it really firmly. And also, there's a second deal of the day tomorrow. It's going to be 25% off all the chainsaws and pole saws. These are the tool only, so it's assuming you have batteries or you're going to partake of some of the battery deals. And if I understand right, here on like day 9 or 10, there are going to be some battery deals if you don't already have any. So I hope this is beneficial to you. I'll try to put out another video on some of the additional ITC member deals. Today was just Icon, so we'll pick up some of the other ones. And until the next video, y'all take care.